Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing what are tariffs. A tariff is a scale costing structure. When given questions based on financial documents in tariffs, you should check whether the amounts that you are given are VAT exclusive or VAT inclusive. So guys, first things first, we should read the statement, analyze the statement, then we will understand the statement. The sanitation tariffs for Johannesburg and Cape Town are presented in Table 3. Johannesburg uses the area of a property to determine the sanitation bill. Cape Town uses the percentage of the total usage to determine the sanitation bill, the same way as they calculate the water bill. Table 3 shows the tariffs of Johannesburg excluding VAT and Cape Town including VAT. Johannesburg sanitation tariffs, domestic, VAT exclusive. Then here we see the toilet seat, Cape Town sanitation tariffs, domestic, VAT inclusive. They charge based on kiloliters, as they said on the statement above. Then let's proceed to the questions. Use the information above to answer the questions that follow. 2.2.1 Write down to the nearest 10 cents and excluding VAT the cost for sanitation in Johannesburg if a property is 175 meter to the power 2. Guys, we've had the question. The question talks about Johannesburg, meaning we should check Johannesburg. The Cape Town table will turn a blind eye on it. So we'll check in which bracket does 175 meter to the power 2 falls under. So from the first bracket, they say up to and including 300 meters to the power 2. So we have 175 meters to the power 2, meaning it falls under the first bracket, which has 228 rand 6 cents. And they said in our final answer, we should convert it to the nearest 10 cents. So 2.2.1, cost of sanitation is equals to 228 rand and 6 cents. So the question says we should round the final answer to the nearest 10 cents. So remember, when rounding, we check whether the number before the number we're rounding is above or below 5. If it is above 5, we round up. If it is below 5, we round down. So in this case, we are going to round up because 6 is above 5. So our final answer will be 228 rand and 10 cents. Since 6 is above 5. So it will be 228 rand 10 cents. So moving to 2.2.2, calculate the cost for 4.1 kiloliters sanitation in Cape Town before interest. So the first thing is to check which bracket does 4.1 falls under in Cape Town this time. So 4.1 kiloliters falls under first bracket. So the next thing is to deduct the interest in the tariff amount, because they said before interest. So it will be 16 rand 3 cents minus 66 cents, which gives us 15 rand 37 cents. Now we know the amount before interest. Moving to the third step. The first step was to determine which bracket does 4.1 kiloliters fall under. The second step is to find tariff amount before interest. Then the third step is to multiply 4.1 kiloliters with the amount before interest. So 4.1 kiloliters multiplied by 15 rand 37 cents. So if you'd like to have this question paper, the link is on the description. So 4,1 kiloliters multiplied by 15 rand 37 cents gives us 63 rand 2 cents. I hope you guys understood this. Moving to the next question. 2.2.3. Mr. Jones lives in Johannesburg and Mrs. Brown lives in Cape Town. They both own a property with area of 550 meters to the power 2, and each was billed for 22 kiloliters sanitation. Use the table above to determine the difference in the cost of sanitation for the two properties. A thing you should bear in mind is that when you are asked a total, you are going to add amounts. When you are asked a difference, you are going to subtract amounts. So here in our final answer, we are going to subtract. So the first thing to do here is to find the difference in the usage of water. So on the first block, we'll subtract what's on the left with what's on the right. Meaning we'll subtract 0 from 4,2 kiloliters. So on the second block, we'll subtract the highest value on the first block from the highest value on the second block. We'll subtract 4,2 kiloliters from 7,35 kiloliters. So on the third block, we'll subtract 7,35 kiloliters from 24,5 kiloliters. Then we'll subtract 24,5 kiloliters from 35 kiloliters. Then we are done with difference. So going to the question now, we'll first calculate the sanitation bill for Cape Town, because most people find it hard, but it's not hard. Once you understand it, you'll see that it's not hard. So sanitation bill for Cape Town, we'll use the difference, which is 4,2 kiloliters on the first block, multiplied by 16 rand 3 cents, which gives us 67 rand 33 cents. Then use the difference on the second block, 3,15 kiloliters multiplied by 22,02 cents, and it gives us 69 rand 36 cents. And we will use the difference that is on the third block, which is 14,65 kiloliters multiplied by 30,92 rand. It gives us 452 rand 98 cents. And now we'll have to add our answers. That's 67 rand 33 cents plus 69 rand 36 cents plus 452 rand 98 cents, which gives us 589 rand 67 cents. Moving to sanitation bill for Johannesburg. So remember, in Johannesburg bill, the values there are VAT exclusive, and we need to include VAT in order to get an accurate answer. Then after adding VAT, we should find the difference between Johannesburg bill and Cape Town bill. Then when including VAT, we include it by 1,15 or 115 divided by 100. We multiply by 115 divided by 100. That's how we include VAT. When we exclude VAT, we divide by 1,15 or we divide by 115 divided by 100. 143 rand 96 cents multiplied by 1,15 gives us 510 rand 55 cents. Moving to difference in sanitation bill. So we're going to minus 510 rand 55 cents from 589 rand 67 cents. I hope you no longer find tariffs hard. This is the simplest way I know to do tariffs. If you found this video very helpful, please follow, like, and subscribe, and share to others. Come on. Oh, I think you
truly something special. Just when my dreams are